Owen starts every morning with perfect discipline. He drinks his water, eats his planned breakfast, and feels completely in control. But by 7 p.m., he's standing in his kitchen staring at a bag of chips on the counter, and his willpower crumbles. He tells himself he'll just have a few, but 20 minutes later, the bag is empty, and he's reaching for the cookies his wife keeps for guests. His gym bag is buried somewhere in the bedroom closet behind winter clothes, making tomorrow's workout feel like an impossible mission before he even starts. Owen thinks he lacks discipline, but when I visited his home, I discovered something completely different. I'm André, and Owen's problem isn't willpower. It's that his environment is designed for failure. Every surface in Owen's home tells a story of self-sabotage. The pantry is stocked with processed snacks at eye level, while healthy options hide behind canned goods. The kitchen counter displays cookies, crackers, and candy like a convenience store. His workout clothes are buried in the back of his dresser drawer, requiring him to move 3 other piles just to find them. His gym bag lives in the bedroom closet, hidden behind coats and boxes. Meanwhile, his meal prep containers sit in the back of his bottom fridge drawer, invisible and forgotten. Here's what Owen doesn't understand about willpower. It's a finite resource that depletes throughout the day. Every decision requiring self-control drains your limited daily reserves. By evening, after 8 hours of work decisions, traffic frustrations, and daily life choices, Owen's willpower tank is empty. When he sees those chips on the counter, he's asking his depleted brain to make yet another difficult choice, and his brain simply doesn't have the energy left to resist. But environment design is different. Environment design is permanent. When you remove the chips from your counter, you don't need willpower to resist them because the decision never presents itself. When you move your gym bag to the entryway, grabbing it becomes automatic instead of effortful. Smart environment design eliminates the need for willpower by making healthy choices the default option. The science backs this completely. Decision fatigue is real and measurable. Every choice requiring self-control depletes the same mental resource. Whether you're deciding what to eat, how to respond to a difficult email, or whether to skip your workout. By the time evening arrives, most people have made hundreds of micro decisions that drain their capacity for self-control. But when your environment is designed correctly, healthy behaviors happen automatically without requiring any willpower at all. Owen's environment audit revealed systematic sabotage. Visual cues trigger behavior unconsciously, and his home was full of visual cues for unhealthy choices. Junk food on counters and at eye level in the pantry created constant temptation triggers. His healthy meal prep containers were hidden in the back of the fridge where he couldn't see them, making unhealthy choices feel like the only convenient option. His workout equipment was stored behind barriers that created friction for exercise, while his couch and television created the perfect setup for evening lethargy. Environment design follows simple but powerful principles. Make healthy choices the easiest option by removing friction and adding convenience. Place meal prep containers at eye level in your fridge where you see them first. Keep your gym bag by the front door so grabbing it becomes automatic. Remove temptation from your immediate environment entirely, because out of sight truly is out of mind. Use visual cues strategically by placing running shoes next to your bed, keeping a water bottle on your desk, and laying out workout clothes the night before. Reduce friction for good behaviors and increase friction for bad behaviors. Your home, workspace, and car should function as a support system for your goals, not obstacles to overcome. Keep protein snacks in your car for long days. Stock healthy options at eye level in your office. Choose a gym that's on your route home from work, not a detour that requires extra motivation. Delete food delivery apps from your phone to increase friction for impulsive food choices. Design every space you occupy to make healthy choices automatic and unhealthy choices inconvenient. Owen's transformation happened within days, not weeks. He removed all junk food from his house completely, ignoring his wife's protests about guest food. He moved his gym bag to the entryway where he trips over it every morning. His meal prep containers now occupy the entire top shelf of his refrigerator at perfect eye level. His running shoes sit next to his bed, eliminating the morning decision about whether to exercise. His workout clothes live on a chair in his bedroom, ready for the next day. Within 1 week, Owen went from fighting daily willpower battles to making automatic healthy choices that required zero mental effort. Your challenge this week is to conduct an environment audit of your three main spaces: home, workspace, and car. Remove one source of temptation that's currently visible and convenient. Make one healthy behavior easier by reducing the friction required to perform it. Notice how changing your environment changes your behavior without requiring any additional willpower or motivation. I'm André, and that's your raw daily fuel. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. If this resonated with you, subscribe to Raw Daily Fuel. Diverse voices, global perspectives, one mission, giving you the environment that creates inevitable success.